This is CMF Phone 1, and today I will give you a few simple advices on how to fix slow system on this device. So if your device feels sluggish or, well, not as snappy and quick as it should or used to be, I recommend that you begin by clearing your RAM cache. So open the list of recent apps, then scroll all the way to the right and press the clear all button. Then you can also reboot your phone while simultaneously pressing side power and volume up buttons and tapping at the restart here. What you might also want to do is to free up some storage space, let your system or allow your system a little bit more room to breathe. And well, the easiest way to do that is to launch the Google Files app, then enter the clean section here or here at the bottom. And the Google Files app will automatically come up with storage optimization measures that are tailored towards your particular storage state. So here, just do all the measures that it suggests and make sure that you have at least some amount of your storage available to your system to work with. And well, that will be more or less everything you can do regarding the slow system performance. Just, do small enhancement here and there to refreshen your device, should I say. And well, if you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.